the expansion of x plus k to the power of 7, where k is real. The coefficient of the term in x to the power of 5 is 63. Find the possible values of k. So let's just consider this expansion. So it's quite simple, so we can start just to expand it fully, and it's always combinations, start with 0 and out of 7, combination 0 out of 7, and as usual we can see the x and k, and something must start with the lowest power. It means from 0, and other from the greatest power. Since we need x to the power of 5, let x starts from the greatest power 7, and hence k starts from 0. And the next is combinations 1 out of 7, x to the power of 6, k to the power of 1, plus combinations 2 out of 7, x to the power of 5, k squared, plus, and so on. And we need only this term, or you may use this expansion in the form of sigma notation. So it looks like I from 0 to 7, combinations I out of 7, and again one term to the power of I, it will be more useful, x to b to the power of y, and another to the power of 7 minus I. And since we need x to the power of 5, we consider term for I is 5, and it's combinations 5 out of 7, x to the power of 5, k to the power of 2. You may notice that there is difference, but there is property that combinations 2 out of 7 is the same as combinations 7 minus 2 out of 7, which is combinations 5 out of 7. These coefficients of which are combinations are symmetrical. So this coefficient, which is combinations 2 out of 7, k squared is 63, and we get an equation with respect to k, and we need just solve it. Combinations formula is given in the data booklet. This question is without a calculator, so it's the greater value factorial divided by 2 factorial and 7 minus 2 factorial, so it's over 5 factorial. 5 factorial, it's a product of all integers from 1 up to 5. 7 factorial, product of all integers from 1 up to 7, so we can simplify it, and it becomes just 6 times 7. 2 factorial is just 1 multiplied by 2 is just 2. So it becomes just 21. So combinations 2 out of 7 is 21. Hence it becomes 21. K squared is 63. So k squared is 3. So k is plus or minus root 3. And notice that question is values, so if you get only 1, it's not correct, because it is assumed that definitely there are 2 or more values. So it's the required answer, and that's all for this question.